Hi everyone, it's Stu here from 3B with this week's 3B, the week ahead, the weekly update, whatever you want to call it. It's where we look at what I plan on doing for this week. If we just quickly look about what we did last week, which was a lot of streaming, and of course then we did that NVIDIA EVGA RTX 2080 Ti Black Edition review where I benchmarked it, I overclocked it, and did a fair amount with it. In relation to that, one of the videos that I aim to do this week, if I get time, because I'm looking to completely watercool my PC, and that includes the CPU, which I already watercool through an AIO. But I'm also going to watercool the GPU, and it's going to be a complete loop. It's going to be, rather than an all-in-one, it's going to be a completely built system around EK water blocks. And I think the GPU cooler block is from someone else, but I can't remember who. But I'm expecting that today being Monday, I'm going to spend Tuesday and Wednesday building that in, testing for leaks and what have you, because you kind of have to let that run for at least a day to see if there's any leakage from the pipes and what have you. So that's what I'll be doing. And then once I've done that, I will then do a re-review of the EVGA RTX 2080 Ti Black Edition with it being water-cooled. And it's a complete block. It covers everything from the RAM, the GPU chip, and a few other things as well. So it's a complete cooling solution for the GPU. So that's the key video that I'll be creating this week. That also has an impact on the streaming that I'll be doing this week also. Today I'm going to be finishing off Resident Evil, so we'll be streaming at 3 till 5 p.m. And then on Wednesday we won't be doing a stream simply because I won't be able to, because I'll be testing out whether my water cooling solution is leaking or not. And then we'll be back on Friday, and depending on what time, there's several games that are coming out this week. Metro Exodus, Anthem, I believe, is coming out this week, and Far Cry something or other. The one that they just recently released, and it was kind of a budget version of a Far Cry game. It was kind of a good price, so I got it, and I believe that's coming out. So we will be playing one of those three, but I am aiming at Metro Exodus. But it all depends on what time it's released, because normally I stream between 3 and 5 p.m. Mondays and Fridays, and then 7 till 9 on Wednesdays. So it all depends on what time Steam finally release the game. Sometimes the games are released at 6 o'clock p.m. Other times it's like midday. So we'll have to wait and see what time they're going to release it on the 15th in terms of being able to download it and play it. So hopefully that's what we will be playing on Friday, but failing that, we will be playing one of those three games, I would imagine. So that's this week's update. It's all about water cooling. It's all about re-benchmarking what I found to be an incredible graphics card, really good value for money. And I say that very much tongue-in-cheek, because still the cost of that graphics card is exorbitant. But when you look at it compared to other graphics cards, it's a good value price compared to, some of the extreme models now are like £1,600, and they're not that different in terms of what they're able to perform at. It's very, very fine, just 100 megahertz, sometimes 200 megahertz at the very most, and you're paying £400, £500, £600 more for that, which is just crazy money. So this week, if I can water cool it down, and then overclock it, and I want to see if I can get it the same as those extreme models, and if I can get it to the same as those extreme models, then it just makes you wonder, what the hell are those people paying for? Really? Okay, that's this week's update. Look out for the stream today between 3 3 and 5 p.m. GMT. And then I'll be busy water cooling and building all that out over the next couple of days. We'll re-benchmark the GPU and then back to streaming on Friday. Thanks again. Please subscribe. Please click the bell. Please do a thumbs up. Whatever there is, do it. Click it, press it, do it. Thanks again. Thanks for being a subscriber if you are. And I'll catch you in the week. Cheers.